In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your previously generated content on Higgsfield AI. This walkthrough is designed to be clear and straightforward so you can quickly find the work you've already created and keep everything organized. We'll move through the platform at a comfortable pace, and I'll point out what to expect on each screen so you always know you're in the right place. First, go to Higgsfield AI. Open the website in your preferred modern browser so everything loads smoothly and features display as intended. When the homepage appears, give it a moment to populate any dynamic elements. Layouts can evolve over time, but you'll typically see a clean interface with a top or side navigation area that highlights the platform's main sections. If you work across multiple projects or teams, the visuals you see here may reflect your current workspace, but the general structure will remain familiar. Next, go to Browse Assets. This is the central library where your outputs live. Once you're there, expect a gallery-style view, often in a grid or list format, showing thumbnails or file names. You'll usually notice helpful organization tools nearby, like a search bar, filters, tags, or sort options. These controls don't require you to do anything right now, but it's useful to know they're available to narrow things down when you're looking for something specific. Think of this space as your creative archive, everything you've produced in one place, easy to scan and revisit. Here you can see your previously generated contents. You'll typically find key details associated with each item, such as a title, a preview, the type or format, and the date it was created. Some interfaces also display helpful context like size, duration, or generation settings, so you can quickly identify the exact version you need without opening multiple items. If your work includes different kinds of assets, images, videos, or other generated media, expect them to appear side by side in the same library, with clear labels so you can distinguish them at a glance. The previews are especially handy for confirming you've located the right piece, and timestamps make it easy to track your progress over time. That's all there is to it. Go to Higgsfield AI, head to Browse Assets, and view your previously generated content. As you use this library more often, consistent naming and basic organization habits will help you find things even faster. Thanks for watching and enjoy revisiting your creations on Higgsfield AI.